Chicken vegetable barley soup. The soup is hearty and has great flavor. I like barley in soups instead of rice, and this is a great use of barley. Ingredients: 1 cup slivered almonds, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 medium onion, chopped, 1 cup chopped celery, 4 cups sliced fresh mushrooms, 4 cloves garlic, minced, 1 cup chopped carrots, 5 cups diced red potatoes, 3 cups chopped cooked chicken, 1/2 quarts chicken broth, 1 cup quick cooking barley, 2 tablespoons butter, 1/2 cup chopped fresh parsley, salt and black pepper to taste. Step 1. Preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Spread slivered almonds evenly over a baking sheet. Toast in preheated oven until golden brown and fragrant. Step 2. Heat the oil in a large stock pot over medium heat. Cook onions, celery, mushrooms, and garlic in oil until onions are tender. Step 3. Stir in carrots, potatoes, chicken, and broth. Brine.
Thank you for visiting this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you liked the video, be sure to subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button on the top right hand side of your screen.